Hey guys, Amanda here from Sell Spend Travel. Honey Bunny is recording and he's being goofy back there today. So I've done a couple of unboxings here in a row, so I'm not wearing the same clothes for days on end, just so you know. So today, this unboxing is for a bulk box. It's a clothing, shoes, and accessory box. I got it from the eBay platform, and everything in here is supposed to be in new condition. And I've got a cheat sheet. And there's 26 items in the box. The reason I bought it is because it's a majority, or supposed to be a majority, of plus size clothing, and I don't have a whole lot of that left in my store or closet right now. So I wanted to kind of replenish those sizes. But we paid $57.38 for the box shipped, and the MSRP is $628.74, and that means our per item cost is $2.21. So there you go. So hopefully everything's in here and it's all in new condition. Like I said, it's plus size women's clothing, and I think there's a few kids clothing or baby clothes type things in here too, but it's primarily women's clothing. The box got beat up a little bit in shipping, it looks like, but it's still overall intact, so it's all right. They probably just set something heavy down on top of it or something like that, but luckily there's nothing breakable. So here we go. So here it is in all of its glory. Here we go. So there's a dirty pair of pants. Oh, we'll go with those first. So right out of the gate, these are Jeggings, size 26, plus size women's 26. They're Ava and Viv. And there they are, just solid black pants. They look like they might be cropped, actually. So, and they look like they've got a little, might just be dust from the warehouse. Yeah, I think that's all it is. So there's those. So they look like they're in good shape. They just need a good lint rolling. And so there's those. And then next, this is Cat and Jack. Oh, that's really cute. Little girl's knit sweater dress. It's got a little gold thread in it. It's a size small, or 6X. And it retailed originally for 20 bucks. So that's really cute. And all of the kids' clothing stuff, I'll list it on eBay, of course. It'll also go on Poshmark and Mercari. But then I'll also cross-post it to Kitizen. As we make not a huge amount of sales, but we probably do 3 or 4 a month on Kitizen, and it's moving stuff that's not selling on the other platform, so I'm happy for it to go whichever route it decides to take. So I'll most definitely cross-post all of this, all of the kids' clothing in here over to Kitizen as well. So, and this is a Ava and Viv top. This one, it looks like just a 1X because it just has an X on the tag. And this was originally $20. And there should be, I think there's another one of these in here. So, and the other thing about this box that I liked was that it does have some multiples in it. So it'll make it easier for me to list, because I can do one listing with multiple quantities. So there's that one. I think this is the same thing here, maybe just a different size. Yeah, so this is, so that was just an X. So I think that's a 0X technically. And this is a 1X. But same top. Just a different size. So, and that's good for this time of year too. It's a good color for springtime and summer. And let's see here. Next we've got, this is Wild Fable, and this one's a size medium. Looks like a tiny little medium. Gracious.
It's a medium.
It's just medium. But that's just a little ruffled top there. It's cute. It's really cute, but it's really small. It's a little crop top, I do believe. And this set originally was 20 bucks. So there's that one. And then there's another one in here. There's a couple more of these in here, actually. I see them. I see them all. All right, this is also a size medium. And let's see, are they all mediums? I can't remember. Yep, this one's a medium also. We got your mediums. Here's another one. I see another one peek. Oh, a couple more down here peeping out. More than a couple. Good gracious. All right, so this is an XXL. That does not look like an XXL. Good gracious. That's scary to think that's an XXL. But I think Wild Fable is actually junior sizing technically. So that's probably why these look a little smaller to me. And this is also an XXL. You didn't know you were going to be looking at all blue flowered shirts, did you? So, and so this is a small. So this is really cool actually that I've got the same top and all these different sizes. Because, again, one listing, multiple quantity, multiple sizing. That's especially easy and great for Poshmark. So another small. And what size is this one? Another small. I think this, nope, there's another one. I see another one down there. It's the box of blue flowery shirts. Small. All right, let's see. And small. Every size but large, it looks like. So, all right, so that's all of those, I think. All right, and then this is like the Ava and Viv top that I pulled out earlier that was pink, but this one is green. And this one, I think it was this is a 4XL. So that's awesome for a plus size top. And I really like to get the larger sizes in just because I feel like it's really hard to find cute stuff in the bigger sizes. And I found too that with like plus size clothing, it seems like everybody thinks that you need to have glitter and sparkles and gemstones and all these other things on it. And it doesn't always have to be that way. There's another one here, and this one is a 1X. So again, that's going to be an easy listing. Just have to take measurements for everything. So, and there's some, I've noticed there's some YouTubers that say they don't worry about measurements, and then others are all about measurements. I'm generally all about measurements. I think that it's a good idea to have them there just because it's one less question I have to answer. So, here's another top here. This is similar to that blue flowery one, just a different pattern. This is a small little crop top. And then this is kids. Oh, it says girl power. That is too cute. More than magic size, extra small, 4 or 5. This might be going to my niece. It may not get listed. This might be a Maddie present. All right. And then let's see here. This is a pair of pants. It looks like size 1X. Ava and Viv. They got stretch in them. And they're made like joggers. Like jogging pants, but they're not banded at the bottom. So, those are probably super comfy. And they're kind of heavy too, so they'd be good for a winter time, for sure. For sure. And then I think this is similar. This is similar style of pant. These are 2X. And these are plaid. And they have pockets. Pockets are always good. Those are nice deep pockets here. All right. So there's those. And let's see here. And this is a new day. Size small. And what the heck? I don't know what's going on with this. Oh, it's wrapped. There we go. So it's a wrap style top. So that's pretty, actually. Kind of a golden yellow flower there. Flower pattern. And it's looks like it's banded. Yep, it's got a banded bottom, so a little bit of stretch right there to keep it in place. Probably have to put a pin on the front of that one unless you want to show everybody all your business. And then here, this is Ava and Viv, size 2X. And it's just a long sleeve ribbed t-shirt. But it's nice and thin too, so you can layer it over top of like a tank top or something if you wanted to, and it's got a high-low hem. So for me, like I stay hot most of the time and don't want to have long sleeve on, but when I do put on long sleeve, I just want something thin like that, just enough to take the chill off. So this is, I think this is men's extra small. This is striped shirt, striped t-shirt. This is original use, is the name brand here. This retailed for 10 bucks. So we have some original use jackets for men's jackets that we got out of another palette last summer. And I thought for sure they were going to sell really quick, and I priced them right, and we've sold one. We still have a bunch. I put them on the yard sale page. I put them across all the platforms, and they were brand new with tags, and no luck so far other than the one. But maybe when we get closer to this fall, maybe that will change. These are girls all in motion. It says mid-rise shorts here, but they're kind of stretchy, and they kind of feel like dance shorts. So that could be what they are. So it doesn't actually say lightweight flex fabric. So I think that's what they are, is girls dance shorts. So, oh, this is a big bulky sweater. So this is an Ava and Viv. This is size 4X also. It's really soft. It feels really good. This retailed for $30. If I can get it, hold it up there right for you. So there you go. So there's that. It's really, really soft. It feels really good. That is a for sure wintertime, Christmas time sweater there. All right, and then this is, I don't know where the top is. There it is. This is a New Day. I think this is like that gold flowery one that I showed you a minute ago. It's just a different pattern. There we go. Now I got it right. So here we go. This is a size XXL. And this is originally sold for $24.99. So there's that. And this is lightweight too, so this will ship first class for sure. And then there are 3 of these little kids hats here. Just cute little hats. They only sold for $8 to start with. They're super, super lightweight though, so I could list these. There's actually, it's two hats, and then whatever the heck this is. I don't know what this is officially. It just says one size fits most, one piece. Is it a muff? Like, I don't know what that is. What do you do with that? Or is it like a little neck thing? I don't know. I'll figure it out. All right, and then next here we've got, this is universal thread, size XXL. And just kind of a peasant style top here. That's really cute. It's really wrinkled, but it's cute. It's got banded sleeves. Little tie there in the front. Stuff's falling behind me. All right. So there's that. And then, oh, it looks like these are more of those green tops like I had earlier. And this is size 2X. I think before we had a 1X and a 4X, so now we've got a 2X. So there's that. And then one more here. Is that also a 2X? No, this is a 3X. Maybe we ended up getting one in every size. That would be really awesome. All right, and then next, this is Ava and Viv, and this is a size 2X. Really wrinkled, but new with tags. So this is just kind of, looks like a basic, yeah, just a basic top here. Looks like a 3/4 sleeve, and it's got a banded cuff there, so that's nice. And there's the back. And this you could wear this now too, this time of year. Doesn't have to be a fall or a wintertime top. And then last but not least, this is the last thing here. This is More Than Magic, and this is just like a neon, kind of has a tie-dye look to it there down the sides and on the sleeves. Size large kids top. So, and I'm guessing it could be boys or girls. So I don't think it specifies. Nope. It doesn't. I'll have to look it up and see if I can find it. But either way, that's the last thing. And that's everything in the box. So I think we can certainly make our $58 back on this. Maybe we can double that. That would be really awesome. So that's everything, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure to leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And otherwise, just make sure, please give this video a like. So hit that thumbs up in the bottom, down there, over there, up there, wherever it is. Please hit the thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see all of our unboxings. And we're going on a trip in a couple of weeks. Fingers crossed. And hopefully we'll be able to bring you some actual travel videos from that as well. So we look forward to doing that, and we really appreciate you guys watching. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.